Are you helping? Are you helping Toby eat? Yes. Are you helping Indy eat? Are they hungry? Toby's hungry. Mm-hmm. Cody, thank you. Love Indy. Yes. Cody, put it down. Cody. Oh. Are you going to hold it for Toby? Where are you going with it? Toby's hungry. Let Toby eat. Put it back. No, put it back for Toby. Put it back. Cody, give Toby his food back. Cody, pick up Toby's bowl. Put it back. Give it back to him. Put it back over here for... Good boy. Pick it up and put it back. Can you put it back? Put it back for Toby. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Now he can eat. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, did you drop one? Put it back in his dish. Thank you. Now he can eat. Yeah, Toby's hungry. No, no, no. Leave it for Indy, honey. They're okay now. Nope. We're in the house. We're staying in the house.
Does that sound like the same beat as Donald's fancy dance?
No, it's okay. She's all done. Indy's all done. Put it back. No, we don't need any more. Nope, no more.
What can you do to help Goofy get the fancy dance beat? Is there something you can use?
Thank you.
Good idea, Donald. Everybody say,
Thank you, Cody. They're all done. Yes, that's Toby's. And their water. That's your toy. Toby's all done.
a drum. Will it help Goofy if he beats the drum to the beat of the fancy dance? You think so? Well, so do I. It's all our master tool. Say, super cheers.
It's empty, Cody. She's done.
Okay, everybody. When I hit the drum, clap your hands on the beat. Step, step, hop, shake. Step, step, hop, shake. Step, step, hop, shake. Step, step, hop, shake. Hey, it's for King. Step, step, hop, shake. Step, step, hop, shake.
Yeah, she likes it right there, Cody.
Looks like our friends are right on time. I'm all ready for the fancy dance. I got my purple polka dotty tie, non-stinky new shoes, and a pretty yellow daffodilly.
Oh, now it's in her bowl. Thank you. Okay. Put that one back over here.
One more thing to do.
Put this one back. That's Toby's.
Decoration.
Thank you.
We did it. We decorated the clubhouse.
Now what are we doing? Yes, now we have a mess all over the floor that Indy has to pick up.
Oh, and you're wearing my favorite kind of tie. Purple polka dotted. And I'm all ready to fancy dance, too. What's this?
Thank you. Okay. Are you going to dance?
Well, that's a wonderful fancy dance, Goofy. But, well, I was hoping we could do the hot dog dance.
Really? Why, that's my favorite dance of all.
Oh, yeah. Those are the moves that tickle my hooves. A hot dog.
Thank you, Cody. We're all done now. We're all done. Thank you. She having a drink? That's her water. Cody, leave it there. It's heavy. Yes, she likes her water. Where are you going? Where'd she go? Where did she go? Okay, we're all done.
I'm doing the hot dog dance. Just flap your arms and kick out your legs. You're doing great. Oh, what a hot
Where's Cody? Are you busy? You're a busy boy. You're silly. Say bye, Mickey. You blow Mickey kisses? Bye, Mickey. Here comes Toby. Toby. Indy. I know. What you doing with your sock? What are you doing with your sock, kid? My shoes? Yes, Toby having a drink. This is Toby's water. Cody, leave it there. It's heavy. Cody, don't move it, okay? Lot of water. That's Toby's water. Yes. Good. It's okay. Toby's all done. Go get your airplane. Go get your airplane and play with your airplane. They're all done, Cody. They're all done. Yeah. Cody, where's your airplane? Get your airplane. No, we don't need any more dog food. No more dog food. No, all done. Where's your airplane, Cody? Cody, where's your airplane? Cody, over here. Get your airplane.